Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. So today we are going to do a first impression on a new to me CC cream. I have been loving CC creams lately and BB creams, tinted moisturizers, all that stuff. And a few people have recommended the Thrive Cosmetics. It's called the Buildable Blur CC cream. So I picked it up. The only thing is, obviously, you have to get Thrive Cosmetics. I think they're only available online. And they're sold out of the light shade. So I got light medium. It's what I'm wearing today. I am going to pop in a demo and a first impressions of whenever I first put it on. But I wanted to kind of go over what it says. It says it helps prevent sunburn, which is the #1 reason why I love BB and CC creams, because it's kind of just like a one-stop shop. You just put it on, you don't have to mess with a separate SPF, which is really nice. This has an SPF of 35. It also says it has a blur effect technology, so it's supposed to kind of blur your pores and your imperfections. It says if used as directed, it decreases the risk of skin cancer. So that's cool. I ordered this, and then I also was running out of my Sunday Riley toner, so I ordered the Thrive Cosmetics Moisture Flash Active Nutrient Toner. I did use this morning, and let me just tell y'all, I love this packaging. So it just comes in a little bottle like this, but the top is one of those that you just take your little cotton round and pump it and it gets on that. So it's really, I feel like it's really sanitary. I don't know. I mean, you can't be too picky with a toner, I guess, but I do love the packaging. So I wanted to mention that. And then also, I didn't know this, but they threw in this makeup bag, and I think they send this with every single order, which is super cool. It's a huge makeup bag. It says my life isn't perfect, but my eyeshadow is. And it's really, really big. It's really a thin quality, kind of like a cheaper bag, but hey, it was free, so I'm not complaining. So let's jump into the demo. I already mentioned that I'm in the color light medium. I'm also going to wear this throughout the day and touch base with y'all at the end of the day, kind of after wearing it. Just to note, it's super sunny, it's super hot outside. It's about 95 to 98 degrees in Texas today. I do plan on going for a walk later, and I'm going to the grocery store. I'll be out and about, so this will be a good test. So let's jump into the demo. Okay, so let's jump into this. I am just now about to open this. This is the Buildable Blur CC cream. I'm in the color light medium. Do y'all like my hair towel? Fancy, huh? I love these hair towels, not gonna lie. I kind of like the packaging. I love it whenever, I hope this has a pump. Yes, I love it whenever products come with a pump. And, oh gosh, I hope it's not too dark for me. I really do, because it looks like it's dark. I have been putting all of my makeup on. Oh, it's super liquidy. Oh wow, more liquidy than I thought it was gonna be. I've been putting all my makeup on with just my hands. Oh my gosh, and I think I put way too much product. But so far it feels really good. Okay, see, whenever I blend it out, I think this color will end up working for me, just because it's summertime. I'm out in the sun a lot. I'm probably gonna get, my body's definitely gonna get a lot more color. That's one reason I love BB and CC creams, because it has built-in sunscreen in it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know this, I go for walks every single day, usually twice a day. Like, I go for a cool down walk after my workout in the mornings, and then I usually take an afternoon walk. So I'm in the sun a lot, so my skin is getting a little bit of color, but because I put sunscreen on, my face is super white. So I think this color is gonna actually work for me. This is I'm just looking in my phone. I have a mirror here that I want to look in, but it's really dewy. Like, it's more luminous than I thought it was going to be. I didn't even read on the box the claims or anything like that, but definitely has some good coverage, really good coverage. It feels really good. Like I said, it's a little bit more liquidy than I thought it would be. Definitely more liquidy than the It Cosmetics CC cream. However, it looks to me like it's about the same coverage as that. And it kind of, like the finish kind of reminds me of the It Cosmetics CC cream, the illumination one. This looks really good, actually. This is one where I don't feel like I would need like a concealer on top of it. I could definitely have went with just the light. I mean, this is definitely just a shade for me in the summer. In the winter time, whenever I have less color, I will definitely need the light, but it looks really good. It went on super easy. It feels good. So it's about 95 degrees here today. I plan on checking in. I'll actually pop on here when I put like my mascara and my brows and stuff on. I'm not doing a full face of makeup or anything crazy, but I'll pop on here and check in here in a little bit, and then I'm definitely going to check in at the end of the day just so y'all can see, because today is going to be a really good test of this just because it's so hot, and I do plan to be outside. I'm going to go for another walk today, and I'm also going to go grocery shopping. But my very first impression is that it's incredible. Has really good coverage. Doesn't look cakey. It looks like just my skin. So, ooh, I really, really like this. Now, y'all know, I don't know, I should mention that my favorite BB cream as of recently is the Aborian BB cream. And this, compared to that, this is way more lightweight than that. But it's just as much coverage. Ooh, I really like this. It kind of reminds me of the consistency of the Bare Minerals BB cream, but it's really, really nice. So I will check in after I blow dry my hair and put my mascara and stuff on, and then I'll check in at the end of the day. But so far, it's a win. Okay, I'm back with a little bit of mascara on, got my hair dried and all that good stuff. I will say I did put on some blush or some bronzer over the top of this CC cream, and it went on great. I did not set my whole face with a powder. I don't really do that. I'm 38, y'all, almost 39. So I have more mature skin, and it's a little bit more on the dry side. So I've just found lately, especially, that I don't really need to put a powder on to kind of set it. I just, for other products. Now, I don't know about this one. We'll see how this holds up. But I do like this. I also did not add a highlighter today just because I want to see if it gets oily or dewy or anything like that on its own. I just feel like that's a better test of it. So I am going to go to the grocery store. I'm gonna take my dog for a walk, do all the things, and I'll check back in at the end of the day. But so far, y'all, I really, really like this. It looks pretty, and actually the color, once I got the rest of my makeup on and I kind of took it down a little bit on my neck, it matches my body great. So it does say, which I'm never a warm undertone person. It says warm undertones. Generally speaking, I don't really go for warm undertones because I feel like it makes me look like a little bit orange, but this one does not. So I will check back with y'all in a little bit. Hello everyone, I'm checking in. It has been only a couple of hours, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. Oh, got a hair in my face. In the natural sunlight. So, gosh, it looks so pretty. I got a little bit of a sunburn on my nose because I went for a run this morning. So yeah, I love it. I love the color. Actually, I'm surprised that I like it because, like I said earlier, usually I don't go for like warm undertone stuff, but just checking in with y'all to show y'all what it looks like in natural daylight, and I will touch base in the evening. Bye. Okay, so it is 7:30. I'm gonna end this video out here on my front porch. It's so nice out here this evening, but this CC cream is bomb. I highly recommend it. It feels amazing. It did get a little dewy, which I'm down for. Like, I love that look. I would way rather look hydrated and a little bit oily than super dry. So I would say, I mean, if you have super oily skin, you would definitely want to set it with a powder, but I do like the way it held up through the day, and I will definitely be wearing it again. I love it and highly recommend it. So if you've tried it, let me know. I do plan on trying a bunch of different CC creams and BB creams, so as always, leave your recommendations in the not the description box, the comment section. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.